Improve a little every day. Turn.
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 A particular behavior or action in a given situation. To change direction or move around a point.
A particular behavior or action in a given situation. To change direction or move around a point.
His turn in the conversation was calm and polite.
One good turn deserves another.
His turn in the conversation was calm and polite.
One good turn deserves another.
Bank.
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 A financial institution or the side of a river.
A financial institution or the side of a river.
He withdrew money from the bank.
The riverbank was flooded.
He withdrew money from the bank.
The riverbank was flooded.
Deserve.
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 To be worthy of something.
To be worthy of something.
She deserves a promotion.
You deserve a break.
She deserves a promotion.
You deserve a break.
Salary.
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 A fixed amount of money paid regularly for work.
A fixed amount of money paid regularly for work.
His salary increased last year.
His monthly salary is high.
His salary increased last year.
His monthly salary is high.
Lawyer.
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 A person who practices law.
A person who practices law.
She hired a lawyer for legal advice.
The lawyer prepared the contract.
She hired a lawyer for legal advice.
The lawyer prepared the contract.
Immediately.
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 Without delay, at once.
Without delay at once.
He replied immediately.
She acted immediately in the crisis.
He replied immediately.
She acted immediately in the crisis. Keep going and you will succeed.